Okay, so this is going to be the main light hitting you. So if your shoulders are faced this way, you're going to get light hitting your body. And then this is the backlight hair light. That's going to hit your hair and it's going to hit this edge going down your legs and like your arms and stuff. So we're going to do a mix of this light hitting you, and then if you turn and have your shoulders at an angle where your shoulder hits this at a T, it's going to come across and it's going to rake that light across in front of you. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And you won't be able to see the angle, but when we're shooting with the strobes, it's really precise angles. So I'm going to go like this, and that's, push that, yes, perfect. And then we'll play with the hair in the front and the back. That's a great angle right there. And then if you can, keep that same pose, but whip your hair around so it's not on your, destroying that contour in your back right there, yeah. Beautiful. Look at me. Peek through your shoulder a little bit like this. So when you have this foot out right here, I want to get triangles, yeah, so bring it in like that. Pull your hair up and hold it up. Now I want to get some kind of more dramatic ones. Alexa, turn off sexy light number 2. Okay. And then have your hair on this, either on the back. I'm going to be, this light is going to be the main light. Take one step backwards towards the mannequin. Right there, yeah, perfect. And then shoulders to me just a little bit. Let me see. Hair off of the front. Shoulders to me just a little bit, yeah, like that. That's the angle right there. And then give me an elongating pose where you have your arms up.
Straight?
No, you're going to keep that same angle. Shoulders to me just a little bit more. Yeah, just like that, perfect. I keep that same position of your head, but if you can, pull your arms back just a little bit so the light's not obstructing it, yeah. A little smile. Okay, now let's get some of your back, and I want to have that same angle, but turn your back to me so I get the details of the product in the back. So for here, look, the light is going to be coming here and racing across your back and hitting the contours and the highlights. So the angle is going to be really precise. It's going to be generally that same angle that you had the other way, but 180. So you're going to be like facing the mannequin. Yeah. And then we're going to alternate popping the hips. And this arm that's towards me, I don't want it to, yeah, keep it like that so I get that light across your back, yeah. Okay, now bend that front leg. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Back to me just a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. And then, okay, I want to do a few more of that exact same pose. It's killer. Yeah. And do chin down. Give me a little peek through the shoulder. Yes. And then switch your arms. And then this front arms, just kind of drop it a little bit. And get that arm right there and kind of like run it through your hair. So it's like doing something. But this arm right here, hair goes in the front so that the light hits the back.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just drop this front arm down straight. And the arm closest to the paper is going through your hair. And then look back at me. Give me the arm closest to me, put it up like on your collarbones right here.